I really like the patio enclosures, especially, when the monsoons hit, you always see lawn furniture and thrown everywhere. Being able to be at work, look out the window and see, it's rolling in today. Hit the app and just kind of close in the whole back patio.
Yeah, and folks are investing so much money into these really amazing outdoor kitchens and outdoor living spaces, and it's not just a big storm. There's also just dust. You start doing a leaf blower back in your backyard to clean up the landscaping, and then all of a sudden this awesome outdoor kitchen that you spend so much time in is all dusty. Or if it's too hot, you feel like you just can't even go out there. And so a lot of our customers, they'll put these rolling shutters over their patio so that they can make sure that outdoor kitchen turns into basically an enclosed room when they're going to be working on their landscaping, or if there's going to be a storm, or maybe it's just a cold night and they want to keep that outdoor kitchen warm and comfy. There's a lot of different approaches, and those patio enclosures are getting really popular with our customers because it's such a way to maximize that investment you've already made in outdoor living.